means a lot to have the team out here today. There's nothing better than kind of doing a team building where you get to hang out with all the people that you really enjoy from work, but also do something really amazing for the environment. So knowing that we're building homes and we are using lumber, we want to be able to give back and give back to what we take from.
I think it's a really good way to get the team together and enjoy some time and fun outside of the office. I love nature, I love camping. This is a good opportunity for all of that to be taken advantage of in one day.
It's a great initiative that our company has taken on that I was really excited about, and I was a first-time tree planter, so I thought what better to combine giving back and doing something for the first time. My experience was so good. It's hard. It's a lot of fun and everybody's working really hard. It's nice to see.
For me, being out here with my fellow employees is really important. It's a connection, it's association, it's growth, it's relationships. There's so much to be gained from being out here together.